When working with complex assemblies, it is quite common for the 3D model and the technical project information to be managed separately. On one side, we have the CAD model, while on the other side, we find the bill of materials, part numbers, materials, prices, and custom properties. This approach can easily lead to errors, outdated information, and loss of time between the engineering department, purchasing, and production. Proactive Manager was created specifically to centralize all this information directly inside IronCAD. The module connects 3D modeling with structured product data management, allowing users to work in a faster and more organized way. In this video, we will see an overview of the main functions available inside Proactive Manager. The Proactive Manager command can be accessed both from the IronPro data catalog and from the ADDINS ribbon bar. Once the command is launched, the main interface of the module opens, divided into 3 main panels. Let's start with the left panel dedicated to the parts tree. The displayed structure mirrors the IronCAD scene browser and shows the complete hierarchy of the assembly. From here, we can select individual components or groups, quickly navigate through subassemblies and configurations, and always keep the overall project structure under control. The panel also allows us to quickly identify parts excluded from the bill of materials and decide whether to include them or not. At the top, we also find commands dedicated to visualization, suppression, and configuration management. When the suppress command is active, only the selected parts are displayed. Using Create New Configuration, it is possible to quickly create a new configuration starting from the current selection.